What is going on, guys? It's been a while, but I'm back. I'll get into that another time. Right now, it's been a really long time since a review, and I got a special one for you. Zinff. These are sunglasses, and these could be my new favorite pair of sunglasses. Now, let me give you a little bit of an explanation why. These sunglasses, me and my son wore them. We wore them throughout Disney. We wore them everywhere in Florida. The beach, Disney parks, restaurants. Anywhere we went, we were wearing these sunglasses. So we field tested these things already. But I'm going to unbox them right now just to show the beauty of them off. And yes, they still look brand new after being heavily used for over a month. Now let's get into this unboxing. Alright guys, here we go. This is the unboxing for Zinff Sunglasses. I'm just going to open them up here. They come in this beautiful, nice carrying case, or case. And each one comes with discount code, 30% off. If you guys want the code, I will link it. And a little bit about the sunglasses. TR90 steel, metal, titanium, and mixed material frames. You can find various styles at zinff.com. Here we go. These are the sunglasses. Nice little cloth. And look at them. These are the wired frames. These are the ones Kyle was wearing everywhere. I'll get better shots of these. And then I'll unbox this one. Again, a nice case. And then these are the plastic frames. Okay, let me get better shots of these. Alright, so these are the wired frames. I will say, when we first opened these sunglasses, my son automatically right away grabbed the wired frames. He wanted to wear the wired frames. So all throughout Disney and Florida, he was wearing the wired frames. I was wearing these plastic frames by Zinff. The quality, I haven't gotten a chance to wear these much lately, but let me bounce around. They're very light. You could barely tell they're on, just like the plastic ones. They might feel a little bit lighter. I like the big frames that they have, the aviator frames. These are nice sunglasses. They are very good quality. I do want to also mention that they do prescription. So if you have prescription sunglasses that you need done, they can fulfill that. Now, I just went outside and I did a test on the wired frames and the plastic frames of how it looks looking at a very green, bright tree with the sunglasses and without the sunglasses. And I will say the wired frames did a very good job. Alright, so this is the tree in my backyard. This is without sunglasses. Then when you put the wired frames on, let's see if I can get, there we go. That's how it looks. These are with the wired frame sunglasses. Without, with. They kind of made the scenery look exactly the same. It just cut down tremendously on the UV. I can tell the brightness went way down just in the UV, but the clarity was almost the same in seeing the scenery. Now with the plastic frames, my favorite frames, I don't know why, but these are my favorite frames. Again, the tree, these are the plastic frames. Without, with, without, with. Look at that. The vision test, it kind of enhances the greenery a little bit. It does take out all of the UV like you want from sunglasses, but it also kind of makes it a little bit more green and more attractive looking. Let me get more shots of other things testing, not just the green. Let me do the sky too. Alright guys, this is the sky without the sunglasses. Then I'm going to put some wireframes on and without, without, with. Again, this is a sky without the plastic frames, and then without, without, without. And these are, I'm going to put the name here of each one. So these are, yes. And then these are my favorite. I like how they look. These sunglasses are nice. They don't have a lot of give. They're just good quality sunglasses. Like, they're firm. They don't wobble around. I like these a lot. Now let me put on the plastic ones. These are the ones I was wearing throughout Disney most of the time. I really like these a lot. These just have a different kind of like feel to them. A little bit cooler in my opinion. And they don't have the nose holders, I don't know. You can tell the quality is just so good. These are very, very good quality sunglasses. They're not joking when they say they make high quality sunglasses. I recommend these sunglasses. Like I said, these look brand new too. We field tested these. I cannot explain to you. I thought we weren't going to be able to do an unboxing that would look good because we're gonna open the box, it's gonna be all scratched. These did not scratch. The lens on these are amazing. I couldn't believe it. We don't treat our sunglasses bad, poorly or anything. We took care of them, but at the same time we were on vacation. We weren't trying to make sure these are our babies or anything. So we were just kind of throwing them down at some times and just kind of putting them to the side. And there's not a scratch on these. They still look as beautiful as they came in the mail. I would definitely recommend a pair of these. And these are going to be mine and my son. My son's like, hurry up, do the review, get it over with. I'm like, why? He's like, I want my sunglasses back. I want to be able to wear them every day to school. These are going to be our go-to sunglasses. I'm very happy. I'm about to order some more with the 30% off, and I can't wait.